Hey, my bonafide peeps. Welcome to Helpful Vibes on Skool. I built this little corner of the internet for house cleaners, cleaning business owners, and independent contractors who want to get more jobs, sharpen their business mindset, and level up faster together. And a big welcome to my other local service pros too, because whether you clean homes, do lawn care, detailing, pet care, tutoring, organizing, we all have one thing in common. We need clients to keep growing. Now let me walk you through how to get started inside this community. You're on Skool. It's kind of like Facebook groups, but way more organized and built for learning plus business growth. Here's what you'll see at the top of the page. Community, where you can ask questions, post wins, share updates, and join conversations. Classroom, where the magic lives. Prompts plus training. Calendar, future lives, events, calls, and meetups. Members, see everyone who's joined the community. Map, find members near you and connect locally. Leaderboards, motivation and a little friendly competition. And about, what Helpful Vibes is and what we're building here. Let's click into the classroom because this is where you'll find tools that help you grow your business fast. First, check out these two. House cleaning name generator, perfect for house cleaners and Airbnb cleaning businesses. The service business name generator for any local service business, lawn care, tutoring, mobile detailing, pet care, you name it. These are your business name helpers. One is built for house cleaning plus Airbnb, and the other is built for any local service biz. Each classroom includes ready-made AI prompts. Here's the simple process. Copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and fill in your details. Get pro-level results in minutes. Names, captions, messages, bios, offers, all that. No more staring at a blank screen wondering what to write about your service business. If English isn't your main language, you're good. You can ask ChatGPT or any AI tool you use to translate the prompt into your language. Write your answers in your language, and then translate the final result into whatever your clients speak most. So yes, you can use these tools in any language. Introduce yourself. When you're ready, jump into the community and introduce yourself. You can comment on the welcome post or make a new post anytime. Share your name, your business, your city or area, the type of clients you love working with, and if you're not ready to post yet, that's fine too. You can ask for help, get feedback, or just vibe and learn from other pros. If you've heard me talk about using AI prompts to get clients faster in 2026 and you're like, wait, what is a prompt? Here's the real answer. A prompt is simply a pre-written instruction you give to AI so it knows exactly what to do. Like, create a business name, write a social media post, upscale your Google, Yelp, or Facebook business profile, draft a client message, build a service description. No guesswork. The best part? These prompts are tailored for house cleaners and local service businesses, so you're not using random generic AI advice. You fill in the blanks. AI does the heavy lifting, and you stay in control. The goal in here and my goal is simple. Help you look more professional, help you book more loyal, local clients, and help you save hours of time while doing it. That's the tour. Now go explore the classroom, introduce yourself when you're ready, and invite one serious service business owner who's ready to level up with us. You got this. Happy business!
Bonafide helpful vibes, yeah, we bring it to the light. Real talk, good heart, everything feeling right. From the soul to the smile, let the rhythm rise. Who you tuned in now to Bonafide helpful vibes.